Good morning and welcome to another episode of The Russell Brown Show.
In this series of episodes, I'm capturing images in Maui, Hawaii. I'm going to show you tips and techniques for photographing with an iPhone.
What?
You'll learn how to capture it right, and then you'll learn how to process it right with Lightroom and Photoshop. Let's get going with this next episode.
We've just left the harbor here in Lahaina. I'm on board this research ship with none other than Flip Nicklen, one of the leading photographers of whales. I'm here with Flip to guide us on this tour to take photographs of whales. I'm going to be using my iPhone to capture those images, and I'm going to show you some tips and techniques that are going to blow your mind. So here I am waiting for this whale and its fluke to come up in my 4x zoom, and I'm shooting in burst mode. The only way to photograph whales, then you don't miss the moment. I desperately don't want to paste a fin in, but would I? Okay, we're following these whales. The arching of the back, that means they're about to dive, and there it is. I'm gonna do a rapid fire and capture the fluke just coming up. It was perfect, fantastic. I captured with my 4x zoom right on it. Cool. So it was a great day out here on the ocean. Captain Adam Quinn took us to just the right place. And what did I do? I used a Moment lens here. This is a telephoto lens that I'm going to bayonet mount onto the Apple's telephoto lens. Effectively, I'm going to double the telephoto capabilities of the built-in lens on the Apple phone. This is the 11, so I'm getting 4x. Now, here's the tip and technique. You can't use the Apple application. I have to use either the Adobe Lightroom Camera, or I can use something like ProCam. It's very odd. Apple doesn't support it, but the other applications do. That's your tip and technique here on photographing whales with an iPhone, catching that tail as it goes into the water with 4x zoom.
If you want to learn more about the Photoshop and Lightroom techniques that I used in this episode, be sure and go to russellbrown.com. You'll find all of the featured tutorials at that location.